Hey guys, Manny here with another update. I am about 25 minutes from the Texas border, and due to many traffic jams and accidents, oh my god, this has been the Friday of 13th from hell. Consolation, there's the sunset. By the time I hit the border, I think the sun's going to be down, so I'm not going to be able to see anything, but that's what it looks like. And can't wait to actually cross the border, because that means I'm on the home stretch. And but anyway, I'm on I guess the town of Westlake right now, and I'm just coming up on mile marker number 30. So I should be at the border, like I said, about 25 minutes. So I'm going to close it off for tonight, because once it gets dark, we won't be able to see nothing anyway. And I'm approaching a bridge right there. Actually, I'm going to see if I can keep it going until I get to the bridge, because that bridge looks pretty high. And but other than that, the rest of it, since I left was it Baton Rouge or right next to it, it's been pretty smooth sailing. I stopped for gas one time between there and here, and so far it's going pretty good. But so this truck is going to block my view, of course, so I can't get a shot of the sun. But let's see if he slows up so I can catch up to him. But anyway, there's part of the port right there. Oh, here we go. Let me come back over here. Here's a picture of the sun going over the bridge, and that looks pretty cool, I must say. But so yep, this is I think Shreveport, Louisiana. So just coming over the top of the bridge, and you got a good view of the town over there. Alright, y'all have a good night, and I'll catch you on the project that I'm going to be starting, which is the rebuilding of the fence. Alright, y'all, take care.